All right, cool. Week of September 3rd through the 9th, trading week. First week of my challenge trading. So let's start here on the monthly just to see where we're at. This is what we got. On the week, I have this weekly order block marked off in which we tap to this current week. Because of that, I think I was looking to sell. Oh, we'll get into it. Yep, daily order block here, in which we started to trade under. So I'm just gonna mark that off because I had it marked off beginning of the week. Let's go down to the 4 hour. All right, let me just mark this. I did have it marked. All right, cool. So that's our daily order block. Let me drop down to the 1 hour so I can get the indicator. Okay, cool. So this is the beginning of our trading week, Monday. Purple line. So boom, on Monday we trade above. Then we sell off. Let me scale in just to see if I have any entries there. So no entries on Monday. Did take a trade on Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's start with Tuesday. Back to the 4 hour. So right, we have our daily order block. On Friday we traded up above it and then down through it. So no trade on Monday. Tuesday we have market structure shift down, and then price going up. Scale down to the 30-minute. So what I saw here was this order block followed by this candle here, right? Impulse fair value gap right below, sorry, in between here. So I look to take this trade on that pullback. The pullback happened around 10 and 10:30 a.m. Scale in one more time. Scale in one more time. This was the entry I took on the 5. Boom, entry there. Ran up, hit these relative equal tops, and then we came in to almost close the fair value gap here. So good trade. Did not take it in my what's it called, funded account though. So as we see, we took this order block, tapped into that. See what the RR was: 1 to 4, 8 pip stop, 35 pip TP, but it ran just a tad higher. Cool. Wednesday we see liquidity form here, marked by this top, and then we see market structure shift lower here, taking out this low. Market kind of played around here. I believe there was news, but I still had this liquidity area marked up. So during New York, as we see, I had a setup there. Yep. So double tops, order block, double tops. Wanted to take all of that out, and I assumed we would, because we kind of had no downside liquidity, really. I feel like these lows were taken. I mean, maybe as a market structure shift, right? These weren't really taken. I mean, these were taken out, but I wasn't expecting it because we had damn near pretty close double tops up there. Okay, so boom, took the trade, ran right through, sold off, market structure shift, but also on the larger time frames, we were supposed to be bearish. So I guess we were supposed to expect price to hit the weekly OB down here, right? We see push down, consolidate, push down, consolidate, push down, consolidate. So that was my first trade on the funded account. Risked way too much, entered way too much, so I gotta fix that. Okay, cool. So here's Wednesday, end of Wednesday, right? Entering Thursday. Took a trade here. Again, second day of the funded account. Traded way too much. I know where my entries are. Thursday, saw that. So Thursday, I woke up around 5-ish in the morning. Wanted to trade this to hit the upside liquidity. Got stopped, right? As we see with the massive candle. And then this candle stopping us out. Seeing this setup here, right? Got stopped out. Snap. Same thing, targeting the same area. Got stopped out. And then finally took this trade here in which it hit my TP, but eventually ran and hit full liquidity here. Let me scale in. Yeah. So these were the two entries I took. Ending of London. What is this? Pre-New York. And then what time was this entry? Yeah, mid-New York session. I'm gonna scale in one more time. Crap. So I took this trade off the 1 minute, I believe. So to me, I seen this weekly order block tap, market structure push up, pushed above these highs. So I'm like, okay, now we should be going up. Had this order block here. Drop down to the 1. Yeah, whatever. Took my entry off of that. Okay, we see that there. So that's my first trade in my funded account that I profited in. Cool. Friday, me being dumb again. Took 3 more trades. Gosh. What did I see? Guess I traded this here. This order block. Again, woke up early. Not my usual trading hours. I was thinking that this down candle took out liquidity, but it just engineered more. And then we took that out with this push here, and we took that out again. So I traded both of these for entries. This first one, there was really nothing. No market structure shift. Way too early. First push, okay, cool. and then we see that market structure shift after. So market pushes up, sells off one more time, and then we actually break some highs. Let me just mark this for the moment because I want to scale out to see what market looked like. Yeah, there's really nothing. I had this downside liquidity marked off already. Should have just waited for that to hit and then look for the upside sell or upside buy. So not being patient, looking at the smaller time frames. So, all right, we broke these highs, broke this high, this candle here. Boom, market pulled back, tapped into this order block, pushed up again to break this high. Oh, I already got it marked out to break that high, but also I kind of had this marked off as upside liquidity. Everything. Take the trade off of this order block here. 4 pip stop, 27 pip TP. I put out early though. I put out. Did I even wait? No, I put out early. No, I put out like around here, like around this order block. So what is that? Yeah, I didn't wait for the 10. I didn't wait for 0.2510, which I should have. And market reversed after that. So my analysis was right. I just get in too early, not patient enough. Let's go back to the larger time frames just so we can see. Yeah, upside taken out, market sells off. So got to keep the daily in mind, weekly in mind. I mean, that was both counter trend trades. But whatever.